I decided to go off trail for a little while, and I've been ascending for a while, and there's some interesting views here. That's Giant's Nubble right there. Looking to the west, that's Dick's out in that direction. Nippletop and some of the Great Range are out in that direction. And the clouds are moving in a little bit, but it's pretty cool up here. So winter wonderland. Signing off. I'm at the very top of Roaring Brook Falls now. I don't dare go any farther because it's almost straight down that way. If you listen, you can hear the water underneath me. You can see it right there. Pretty cool. A little unsettling too. And great views of the Dixes and out towards Nippletop. I decided I'm going to make another detour to the base of Roaring Brook Falls. See if I can do this without killing myself, because I want to show you the mini avalanches it causes cutting across the mountainside here. You can hopefully see down. This is Jason Pare on my way to the summit of Giant. I've only been going about 24 minutes. I'm snowshoeing through deep snow. I'm breaking trail most of the way. It's beautiful out. Looking down into Roaring Brook Falls. And that's Giant Snubble right there, which is only about a quarter or a third of the way up the mountain. I got a long way to go. Show you what the terrain looks like. Signing off for now. This is nuts. There's a group of people ice climbing Roaring Brook Falls. You can see up there. I'll zoom in a second. That's nuts. This is Jason Pare. I already decided I probably was not going to do Giant because I'm totally breaking trail now and it's very slow going, like a mile an hour. I'm having a great time. It's a lot of fun. So I thought I would just do Giant Snubble, which is like a little round trip I could do. But I lost the trail. The last trail marker was a while back, and I've been hiking a perimeter, and I've not found the trail anywhere. I even got out my GPS, but even without the trail markers, the terrain, as you can see, changes so much after a deep snowfall. It's really beautiful. You can see the sun over the horizon there. I know the Nubble is a mile probably in that direction, but as you can see how dense this forest is, I'm probably going to turn. There's the guy ice climbing. Crazy. These are my tracks. I'll show you what the terrain looks like unbroken and wild.